some basic PNF stretching techniques to work on the abductors of the hip. Because we are working on the abductors, what we are going to do for this stretch is take the client into adduction. If we take them into adduction, we will be stretching the abductors. One way that we can do this is by having the client in supine. What you can do is the leg that you are not stretching, you will raise it, and then the leg that you are stretching, you will take it into adduction as much as you can. Once the client can no longer go into adduction, what you're going to do is give a little tap that will signify them to press into you. And then they are going to relax after 4 to 7 seconds, and you will take them deeper into the stretch. That was contract, relax. Now we can add an antagonist contraction by having the client assist in the movement. So what you're going to do is give 2 taps that will let them know to push into you. After 4 to 7 seconds, you'll give another tap, and they will bring their leg and assist in the opposite direction. When we are performing the stretch on the abductors, if we just take the leg straight across, that's going to be focusing mostly on the medial fibers of the abductors. If we take the client and bring the leg over top, then we'll also be targeting more of the posterior fibers. And if we have the clients lay on their side, we can target more of the anterior fibers. So right now I'm going to show you how we can perform this same stretch on the posterior fibers. So for the posterior fibers, you're going to place your hand on the ASIS of the side that you are stretching, take the leg over top, and then you are going to take them into adduction. And if you want to increase the intensity, what you could do is medially rotate the leg. And then you will have the client, so push into me, and relax. After 4 to 7 seconds, take them deeper into the stretch, and then if you want to add an antagonist contraction, what you will do is, I want you to push towards me, and relax and bring your foot towards that side, yeah. So that right there is going to target more of the posterior fibers of the hip. If we want to target more of the medial fibers, or the anterior fibers, what we can do is have the client sideline. So I want you to lie down on your left side. There are 2 ways that you can do this. One, you can put your hand on the ilium to stabilize the pelvis. And so come a little bit further back. And you will take the leg into extension, and then you are going to bring the leg down towards the floor. And with this one, if you want to target the anterior fibers even more, what you could do is, instead of taking them into medial rotation, you take them into lateral rotation. So you're going to, again, take them into lateral rotation, take them into adduction. So now I want you to inhale and press up into my hands. And exhale, relax. And if you want to add an antagonist contraction, you can do the exact same thing, only this time push into me. And then after 4 to 7 seconds, relax and bring your foot down towards the floor. And that is going to target more the anterior fibers of the abductors.